Hello everybody, my name is Robert Cunard, and it's my privilege to welcome you to Education Administration 562, which is entitled Facilitating Communities of Practice. In our 8-week course, we will together go through Cycle 2 of the California Administrative Performance Assessment together. Communities of practice is a term that we haven't perhaps heard all that much. You have more familiarly heard the term professional learning community, and for a variety of reasons, when the Cal APA was put together, they chose to use the term communities of practice. But really, for most of us, we're used to PLC, or professional learning community. But think of a community of practice as a team of people working together to make improvements in student learning, make improvements in your school. And so in a nutshell, what we'll be doing together during these 8 weeks is going through Cal APA cycle number 2. This is a kind of a challenging cycle. I'm not going to lie to you. In 8 weeks, you have to do a bunch of things. You have to create or use an existing community of practice. You have to become what we call co-facilitator. In practice, it means you have to act like the chair. You have to identify a problem that your community of practice is going to work on, and together you have to identify a research-based solution to the identified problem in your school, and develop plans to implement that research-based solution. Along the way, you have to, of course, respond to the demands of the Cal APA. Now, it's my understanding that most of you, if not all of you, have already done one cycle of Cal APA, so you're used to what that looks like and how that works. But this is a challenging cycle. There's a lot in it, and it's going to move pretty quickly. In addition to that, during our 8 weeks together, you are going to have a symposium. As you get a little closer to the symposium, I'll acquaint you more with what it's going to be. And in this course, the signature assignment is actually your symposium reflection paper, in which you'll be reflecting on the presentation of our guest. I have met our guest, and I have heard her before, and I'm here to tell you that you're in for a real treat. As we get closer to the actual symposium, I'll share more about that. But I'm here to also tell you that assignment ends up being due during week 7, which is a very busy time in the course. So, as you work your way through this course, just expect that it's going to be kind of like a crescendo. It starts slowly, and then it builds, and then it builds, and then it really builds. And at the end, you're going to have a fair amount to do. And we'll get it all done in January and February. So the good news is you're going to get it all done in January and February. The other news is you're going to have a fair amount to do during these 8 weeks. I am here to be your facilitator, mentor, helper, and friend. We will meet on Wednesday night of weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7. We will work together and share our successes and our struggles, and work together to develop solutions to those struggles. And I will, of course, be doing all I can to help you have a successful experience through the Cal APA. You can learn more about me by reading my brief biography in the About the Instructor tab. I'll share more about me as we get through the course, but I have a lot of experience with Concordia. I have a lot of experience as a school administrator, and I know that I'm going to be able to help you succeed in this endeavor. So that's it for now. Welcome to our course. I'll record a new video each week that is a little more specific about your weekly expectations. But for today, I just wanted you to see the guy on the other end of the screen and to know a little bit about who I am and what I'm here for. Thanks for listening, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.